Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and I am standing on board a particularly unique 2020 Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. Why do I say unique? Well, let's take a minute, go front to back, and I'm going to show you. At the back of this boat, you've got the new V6 power from Mercury. Fantastic 3.4 liters that have torque and fuel efficiency on anything in the market. And these are particularly in 200 horsepower, push this boat phenomenally, and you'll see twin steering rams. Why? I'm gonna get to it in a second. Of course, on a Boston Whaler, the seating is always fantastic. So for the days that you don't wanna fish, you've got a spot for guests, but of course, this bolster hits you just right for pulling those big fish over the back of the boat. In fact, this particular 250 Outrage has the bolsters throughout. You've got the leaning post that allows you both this very large live well at the rear, as well as the cup holders, and it gives you the more comfortable captain's buckets here at the helm. Everything moves up out of the way, your armrest, however you want to do it, whether it's a serious day or the laziest day on the water. Going forward at the helm, you're going to see a few screens you're used to seeing, such as Mercury Vessel View. You've got your Fusion stereo, and you've got the wonderful smart box from Boston Whaler that gives you chargers inside a sealed box. Love it. But something you haven't seen on a 250 Outrage in the past. This is Optimus 360. This is a steering system from Seastar that's giving this 250 Outrage joystick. In addition to joystick, you'll see in person when you come check this out, this boat has Sea Station on top. That is your GPS anchor. Whether you're fishing or you're just around the docks waiting for a spot to come in, that is invaluable. That's what this second screen is here. We can align them down the center of a pair of MFDs that you pick, whether Simrad, Garmin, Raymarine, all of that we can option into the dash here on a dealer level. You've got the tempered glass with the wall-to-wall vent across the top. That makes an airflow difference you just can't understand until you're on a sea trial, which we can do. Come on forward. This boat, as I said, bolsters throughout, and it has the forward seating cushions on it. In addition, you got a fantastic insulated drained storage here. That, let's be honest, that's your drink cooler for the end of the day. Storage in the floor, and this particular 250 has its windlass forward. If you can't tell, this boat is phenomenally optioned. So come in, pick your electronics, and you will honestly have one of the nicest 250 Outrages in existence. I'm Jeremiah. This is MarineMax Sarasota and our 2020 250 Outrage with Optimus. If you've got some questions, we're here to help. Talk to you soon.